Welcome to our channel. If you want to use a mobile carrier promotion for free streaming, follow these step-by-step instructions to access bundled entertainment benefits. Step 1. Contact your mobile carrier or visit their website to see which streaming service promotions are currently available with your plan. Common offerings include Netflix, Hulu, Disney+, Apple TV+, or music services. Step 2. Review your current mobile plan to determine if it is eligible for streaming promotions. Premium or unlimited plans often include these benefits. Step 3. If your plan does not include streaming benefits, ask your carrier if upgrading to a qualifying plan would be cost-effective compared to paying for streaming separately. Step 4. Once you confirm eligibility, follow your carrier's specific redemption process, which is typically found in their mobile app or customer portal. Step 5. Log into your carrier account and navigate to the Perks, Entertainment, or Add-ons section. Step 6. Find the streaming service promotion you want to activate and click Redeem or Activate. Step 7. You will be redirected to the streaming service's website or asked to download their app. Step 8. Create an account with the streaming service or log in to your existing account if applicable. Step 9. Link your carrier account to verify eligibility and activate the free streaming benefit. Step 10. Start enjoying your free streaming content. Remember that these promotions are often contingent on maintaining your qualifying mobile plan, and cancelling your plan may end the streaming benefit. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.